everything will be okay. Don't stop, just keep going. Don't let your head get in your way. Life is a journey, and you will go through up and downs. You will want to sometimes give up. That's not allowed at the Joy House. So don't look back, feel sad or regret. Just keep going, keep trying, but don't ever forget. The tough times will not last. It's the tough people who do. They are the ones who get back up and always follow through. Your past is a gift. It teaches you what not to do again. It will also show you who are your true friends. So it's all about growing, so grow, grow, grow. It's all about knowing, just know, know, know. It's all about growing, so just grow, grow, grow. It's all about going forward, so kids look up, not down, and you just go, 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 go. Just go where you wanna go. By trying we learn what to do and what not to do. So trust your heart, it will always guide you through all the valleys and mountains of your life. Miss Joy's secret is to never give up, and just try, try, try. One day the right door will open. If not, you might have to make it. Build your house, your happy place, and use your mind to create it. Build it with what makes you happy, doing the things that give you joy. That's what Miss Joy has learned, and now is teaching every girl and boy. So it's all about growing, so grow, grow, grow. It's all about knowing, just know, know, know. It's all about growing, so grow, grow, grow. It's all about going forward. So keep looking up and dreaming, kids. Just go, 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 go. Just go where you wanna go.
Think it, see it, believe it, because your mind is the key. You program with your thoughts, and with hard work you will succeed.
Laughter is great medicine, so find what makes you smile. Cut from the negativity, it's just poison for the mind. So think happy thoughts and sing happy songs, and here at the Joy House so every kid can sing along. So it's all about growing, so grow,